channel. In this video, I'll teach you guys on how to get free Roblox accessories. All you need to do is like and subscribe and follow this tutorial. Go on and join this game called the Nars Color Quest. What to do, just follow right here, guys. You want to go to your gift box, go to promo code and type 18K likes and then click on submit and code redeemed. So right now it's giving me 1,200 tokens. Now you want to go to shopping and go to accessories. Look, it says 95 Robux, or you can purchase them with the in-game tokens and you can get them in your Roblox accessory, guys. Go on and purchase whatever you want. I'm gonna purchase some random items for my avatar. If I'm making a free Roblox avatar, this probably might be helpful for me. So I'm just going to go on and spend on some stuff. I'm going to buy the Nars hoodie. Yep, we bought the Nars hoodie, guys. So that's pretty much it. Just go on to the redeem the code called the 18K likes, then go over to the shopping bag. Just get whatever you want, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.